There was a time when I was just a mom, and I wore that title with pride. But then the house got quieter, the kids got older, and I started asking, what now? Who am I beyond the school runs and the packing lunch boxes? So, by the way, you can ask my kids, I'm packed the most delicious lunch boxes. But still, don't you sometimes wonder, who am I? That's when I discovered this blueprint for running an online business from home. No inventory, no chasing friends, just a simple system. Making 100% profit on all your sales and a blueprint that respected my time. Now I'm building something that's mine. I'm contributing to our family's future, building a legacy, and proving it's never too late to learn new skills. Want to see the blueprint that helped me start? Call me Blueprint and I will get you the details.